Hey, what a great day to do a barbecue. We're doing a barbecue chicken. Take a look at this. It's on the King Chai. Nice, very nice. Ooh, that's smoky. Yeah, the apple tree's doing great. Around here, potatoes over there doing great. We got potatoes and butternut squash. They're doing awesome. Everything's doing great this time of year. We're gonna have some beautiful lilies. I think they're tiger lilies. They're coming up. Garlic, I think I'm gonna check them next week, but they don't have long. We're gonna be harvesting them. We got some yellow beans growing there. Our beets are getting very close. Next week also we're gonna pull all them. And these are summer squash and zucchini. Our little tomatoes, those are the cherry tomatoes. The red ones are growing great, and I guess the yellow ones are smaller plants all together. These are yellow, and you can see the difference. These are small plants, and these are the red cherries. They're a lot bigger, taller. So I'll know better next year. I'll plant the red ones in the back row and the yellow ones in the front row, but I didn't know. But look at these. These are zucchinis. Looks like they got some flowers coming on. Beets. Let's see what they're doing down there. Yeah, they're getting ready. Look at them right there. I mean, these would be really sweet if we harvest them right now. They'd be really nice and tender, sweet. But I think we can get just a couple more days out of them. And yeah, we got some horseradish growing up here. Here's our horseradish. I'm gonna pull that and break it up, and we're gonna have like a bunch of horseradish. There's some more daylilies. This is garlic chives. We get this all the time for potatoes and stuff. Speaking of potatoes, these are doing great. Every bag was successful. Even this one's finally, hopefully that catches up. That finally popped up. Look at these. This is an experiment here. These were the old trash cans. The village gave us new trash cans, a big trash can, and I had these left over, so I cut them off, filled them with dirt, threw some potatoes, and they're doing great. We're gonna have a few black caps there. Mint's coming in. More daylilies. It's crazy. Everything's doing great this time of year. Here's a mixture of just experimenting with this. Butternuts in the back. This is a butternut. Potatoes. Yellow beans. Crazy. Everything's doing great. And I guess that's the update. All right. Out.